Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our sixth chapter, Physical Activities and Leadership Training. In last class, we have talked about physical activities. Today, we'll talk about leader and leadership. Now, come to the leader. Leader means L means lead by example. If you don't have experience, you can't lead properly. Next, E, enthusiastic. Excitement can do everything in the world. A. Ambitious. Leader should be ambitious to achieve a goal. Determined. Leader should be determined about their goal. E. E. Encourage other. A good leader always encourage the team members. Are ready to learn and teach. लीडर शुड बी ऑलवेज रेडी टू लर्न, हर चीज़ सीखने की चेष्टा होनी चाहिए एंड टीच वॉट ही नो एंड क्रिएट गुड लीडर इन द इन द हिज टीम. So he will become a good leader. Next is meaning of leadership. According to Montgomery, the capacity and will to rally men and women to a common purpose is called leadership. According to LaFerre and Panworth, leadership is the behavior that affect and behavior of the people more than their behavior affects that of the leader. In the simple word, leadership may be defined as the quality of a person to lead another in various facts of life. Leadership is ability to It is the ability to intentionally provide positive influence on the lives and behavior of others. Now, leadership is the art of influencing people to work together harmoniously in the achievement of professional as well as personal goals. Qualities of leader. Now we are discuss quality of a leader in physical education. So leader should be energetic. So next is friendliness and affection. Friendliness during the matches. Okay. Next, next is decisiveness. Decisiveness means फटाफट से उसको क्विक डिसीजन लेना आना होना चाहिए. ऑन द स्पॉट ही कैन टेक डिसीजन, है ना. लाइक प्लान ए नहीं चला तो प्लान 2 अप्लाई करना है ना. तो उसको उसका डिसीजन तो है, उसको ये पावर होनी चाहिए सो ही कैन टेक अनदर डिसीजन एट ए टाइम. टेक्निकली स्किल्ड होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, इंटेलिजेंट होना चाहिए अपने प्रोफेशन में. टीचिंग स्किल होनी चाहिए. क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए. सो ही कैन गिव गुड आइडियाज़. इफ़ ही लीडर विल क्रिएटिव सो वो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आइडियाज़ दे सकता है. इंटरेस्ट इन रिसर्च. उसका इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए, किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में जानने का इच्छुक होना चाहिए. हर चीज़ को जानने की, वो रिसर्च करने के लिए उसका इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट आता है गुड हेल्थ. अ लीडर इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन शुड हैव गुड हेल्थ. डेडिकेशन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन होना चाहिए अपने गोल को लेके. ही शुड बी डेडिकेटेड. High motor capacity should be there in a good leader. Respect for other peoples or elder peoples. Now he should be, a good leader should be social. He should have social qualities like brotherhood, sympathy, cooperation, tolerance, helping nature, patience, honesty. So all this quality, a leader without all these qualities, leader just like an इंजन विदाउट पेट्रोल. लॉजिकली डिसीजन मेकर होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, he should be morality and loyalty. Good leader should be morality. He should not forget his morality in any situation. He should be loyal. Good communicator होना चाहिए. A good communicator can express his view in a better way. Next is role of a leader. in physical education. First point is structuring the situation. A leader of physical education observes every situation minutely. In competitions, he or she interrupts the complete situation to members of a team and clarify doubts and set the goal of the team. Second is controlling group behavior. The physical education leader always tries to minimize certain types of individual behavior that may be against the best interests of the whole team. He or she may warn the member of player of a team who demonstrate indiscipline. He or she maybe give rewards to a player who perform well and proves himself and assists to the team. Third point is speaking for the group. A leader plays a role of spokesman. He speak for the group. A leader must be sensitive to the emotions of others. He should be skillful in translating the group's feelings into both words and actions. Fourth is planning for the group. The leader decides the way and mean by which the group shall achieve its ends. A leader has very every except in his or her mind while making a plan or a policy. A leader make both types of plan, short term as well as long term plans. As execution of plan, the leader may execute various plans which he or she construct for the benefit of his followers. Execution is an important factor in achieving the aims and objectives of the group. Sixth is leaders as leader as a representative. Leader is the sole representative of the group. In the field of sports, the leader speaks for the whole team members. Next is leader as a controller or internal relationship. He or she make every effort to raise the moral standard of the team. He or she takes decision either own or with the help of others takes disciplinary measure against a member who is at fault. Eighth is leader as an exemplar. A leader inspires the members of the team or group. His or her quotable with the his or her quotable examples. He steps top norms of conduct, characters, and idealisms.